na, pwede na tayo mag-file ng third quarter income tax return. Tapos deadline nito is on November 15. Kaya ayun, as nire-recommend natin, mag-file na tayo ng maaga. If ikaw ay isang freelancer, meron akong ginawang guide. Hello guys, my name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at JA Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Ito yung guide guys, 5 scenario siya for third quarter. At para lang sa mga 8% income tax rate option na freelancers. So number 1, ayan, para sa mga with DTI or single proprietor. Scenario 2, meron din naman for professional. Scenario 3, meron din for mixed income earner. Scenario 4, para sa kaka-register lang ng July. At scenario 5, kaka-register mo lang last month September, kasama rin sa guide. Para mapanood mo yung guide, join ka muna sa Facebook group natin, Freelancers BIR Tax Compliance Support Group, at mapapanood mo na dyan yung video. So, ayan siya guys. So, ayan. Join lang kayo. See you inside the group. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding Freelancers BIR registration and Freelancers Tax Compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.